Want to fix the microphone issue in Messenger? Follow this step-by-step guide. Initially start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and select Apps. From there, click on Manage App to see all the installed application. After that, use the search bar at the top and type in Messenger. Once Messenger appears, open the app settings. Here choose the app permission and look for the microphone option. If it is set to don't allow, change it to allow while using the app. This ensures Messenger has permission to use your microphone. Afterwards, go back to the app settings and click on Clear Data at the bottom right. Then select Clear Cache. Likewise, confirm your action when prompted. This removes the temporary files that might be causing the problem. Additionally, check for updates by opening the Play Store app. Here, click on the search bar at the top and search for Messenger. Furthermore, look for the update button and install the latest version. Finally, open the Messenger app and test the microphone by sending a voice message to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.